This week, the final week of December, we're giving away something you guys have asked for all year long, and that is some of the swag of what we wear when we do these. So we've got hats and pint glasses and stickers and all kinds of good stuff for you. So it's gonna be a good week.
We're also giving away a ton of recipe kits. Everybody that was on the mashup, all the pro breweries that talked about their beer recipes, we're giving away every one of those beer recipes. So we've got Danville, we've got Wondrous, we've got Ghost Town, we've got Bear Bottle, we've got Heretic, a ton of beer. Check it out.
That sounds awesome.
Speaking of the mashup, as a bonus this week, we just dropped a video where I'm calling it the mashup Christmas special. It's maybe the mashup New Year's special as well. We got everybody back together. Chris joined us as well from all of our mashup episodes. So go check out those old episodes and check out this video where we get everybody back together. We have a couple beers. We're at one of my favorite bottle tap shops in the Bay Area. It's awesome. Check it out. Let us know how you like it in the comments as well. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff.
So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway. Yes, one last time, it's only a week, so enter quickly and win this awesome swag and all those awesome kits. And thank you. Thank you for joining us this year on our new adventure. It's been a fun year. Happy New Year, everybody.
Cheers.